with all this detangling and styling, you know, we are susceptible to damaged hair and breakage. So the Gold series is combating that. It's a team of Black PhDs and scientists with more than 10 years of research and development for combating breakage and giving healthy hair. Not only will it help your hair become 2 times stronger, it also helps with half percentage of the breakage that you may encounter when you're styling and detangling. Another hair product that is all about restorative care is the Royal Oils. Now that has aloe water in it, hemp oil in it, so it's not only moisturizing the scalp, but it also helps when you get your hair done to extend the life of your hairstyle for up to a week. And you can get those products online at Amazon or at a retailer like Walmart. Next up, let's talk about skincare. This is the new Secret Derma Antiperspirant. And so the great thing about this is that not only is it going to help give you 48 hours of coverage, clinical coverage, but also when you shave, sometimes you may get the bumps, a little nick, you know, you get the redness or discoloration. This over time is going to help with that and also even out the skin tone. It also was endorsed by the Skin Health Alliance, and it's only $7.99. Now, for the rest of your body, Olay Cleansing and Brightening Body Wash. It has vitamins B3 and vitamin C in it. So not only is it brightening the skin, but it's hydrating the skin, it's moisturizing it and giving it a healthy appearance. And the Skin Health Alliance also endorsed this product as well. So this is a premium body wash for only $7.99 at nationwide retailers.